Lot number 501 is a 2002 Chevy 3500 utility truck. This one has a 6.5 liter diesel engine. This truck has been stopped for almost a year. It was hard to get it running. It took 2 jump boxes and some starting fluid, but after trying a couple of times, it started up. It's running now for about 5 or 10 minutes. It sounds a little rough. It's knocking loud. It's improved from when we first got it running. It's running a lot smoother now, but it may need a service. Let me show you the miles. Let's make sure the transmission engages. AC blows warm. The AC compressor has not engaged. It has 89,150 original miles. The automatic transmission engages. I'm gonna move it from this parking spot here. And then I'll give you a quick walk around and show you what I see. Sounds really loud, but it is running and driving. Let me stop right here and give you a walk around. I just want to park it in a parking spot and turn it off. All right, the body itself is straight. It's got minor dents and scratches. It shows normal wear and tear. The paint is peeling and faded. It's got some minor bumps on the front bumper. The grille is faded. All matching steel wheels. The tires look good. The body shows surface rust. The paint is really rough. Any city decals you see on here will be removed or painted over before the end of the sale. It's got a nap hide toolbox and flat utility bed, which all appear to be in good shape. All the cabinet doors open and close as they should. They all appear to be solid. They all show surface rust. They all got paint peeling, and they show scratches, little rust spot here. But overall, all these cabinets and this bed are still ready to work. Nice and straight. It's solid. It shows a lot of surface rust, but not a lot of real rust holes per se. The bed is solid. It's got 2 drilled out holes here, maybe for welding tanks. Custom rear bumper. Here's the driver's side. Cabinets all look good, all open and closed. Everything is solid here. The body has a hole drilled out right here from an old alarm system the school board used to use. This tire looks great. The other ones show wear, but they're still in good shape. Let me show you the interior. The bench seat is torn. The headliner is torn and hanging. The dashboard is cracked. The steering wheel is worn all the way down to the metal. Did I show you the miles? 89,150 original miles. Door panels are faded. Tinted windows are peeling. This is an old work truck, but it looks like it still has a lot of work left in it. Diesel engine sounds loud. It all appears to be complete. Idling pretty smooth, and I didn't keep it running too long. I'm gonna go park it now, but again, sounds like something rough in the front. right, there it is. It's lot number 501. 2002 Chevy 3500. It's got the 6.5 liter diesel engine with 89,000 miles. Good luck.